the same thing by 250.5. Divide 501 by 2.5. Yes. You know, I did this one by 100, okay? So 501 divided by 250.5. What do you get? 2, right? Yes. 2.0. Okay. 2.00 per kilo. Look at something here. This is up to 100. 100, how much is the person paying? 5.01. This is 250, how is it paying? 2.01. So the higher the rates, the lesser. Other than that, nobody can shift. As the weight is increasing, then the rate is falling. This one. Let's just okay. I think basically we are done there. Any questions? The final answer. 501. What's the winner here? Yes, for the 2, I told you we only calculated 1, 2, 3. How to get 1? Yes. You see, we skip because this is not necessary. And all these things will come as and when needed. Okay? Because even today, you know about the Ghana airport issue. I think we have to do Ghana airport right after this. Even today, new rates can be added. Some can be removed. So it depends on the time of shipment. Such rates can go. But what we do is that we do certain adjustments. We do certain adjustment to, for example, we got 2.0 or 2.0 per kilo because the rate is 250.5. Okay, so we can decide to make this one 2.99 per kilo. So that 0.99 will take care of all the other charges. So we do adjustments when you are giving the quote. But you have to first of all know the total weight before you can do those adjustments. Other than that, you give any figure and a time will come and then you will find yourself wanting. Now, you are also not only going to work with one airline, you are working with different airlines. Some will charge less, some will charge higher. So you need to always have a break even. That as Emirates is charging $3, Turkey is charging $2. So charge what? 2.5. Do you get it? Or 2.8 or something. So that if Emirates does not pick it and Turkish is picking it, you don't lose. Or if Turkish doesn't pick and Emirates has to go with it, you don't lose. And also in air freighting, we look at so many factors. I think, let me take you there. We look at certain factors. Okay, we have the air freight rates, the fuel charge is the same thing. Insurance and what is the same thing. Security scanning is here. Airway bill surcharge, insurance charge is here. Dangerous goods surcharge is a different charge we impose on dangerous goods. If the goods are dangerous, we have a special charge we add on. Then express, if the goods must go quickly, but that's where the consolidators make money. If the person wants the goods to go quickly, and then any money you give the person is going to pay, then you charge express rates in addition to the list of charges. Okay. Then there's another portion I need you to look at here. Okay. So before we can arrive at either 2.9, 5.01, 2.0, this is the conditions we use. These are the criteria we use. Criteria number one, value of the goods. Because if somebody is bringing 100 kilos, 100 kilograms ornaments, then 100 kilograms fruits, we charge the same thing. The ornaments are expensive than the fruits. So when the goods are expensive, we charge high rates. The reason is that the interest in the goods is high. And if the goods should get missing or damaged, it should be replaced, it should be returned. And so we charge high. So when it happens, you don't suffer. If you know about insurance principles, the same thing. Do you get it? The value of the item is what they use what they use. Some insured. The value of the item, then they calculate a percentage of it. Do you get it? And now they use 2.5, some use 0.5, depending upon the insurance company. So the value of the goods will be a factor of the freight. So when we find percentage of the value of the goods, we call it ad valorem rates. Ad valorem in Latin simply means according to value. We are charging according to what? Value. So if the value is high, the ornament is, let's say, $100,000. And we say, okay, based on this, let us charge 2.5. So 100,000 times 2.5 will give us what? 2,500, right? It should be 2.5, right? So according to the value, then we charge the freight. That is the first condition. Second one is the quantity, the volume. Somebody is shipping, and that's what I gave you. 100 kilograms was paying this, was 2.250 kilograms was paying what? 2.0. So the volume also helps in our freight calculation. Somebody is shipping pineapple, that is filling the whole cabin of the aircraft. You can't charge him $5 per kilo or €5 per kilo. The person cannot ship. So the volume is very important. The third one is the nature of the goods. If the person is shipping gold you pay more. The nature of the goods. If the person is shipping medicines, and then you look at medicine needs a lot of attention. Yes, so you look at it and then you charge. If someone is shipping the nature of the goods, if the person is shipping ham is human remains, you need to charge higher because it's a special cargo. So the nature of the cargo is a determining factor. Then the market demand. Hello? Please, are we following? Yes. Market demand for airspace. What it means is that there are so many cargo there are no planes to carry them. When the planes go, they are full. No space. Do you get it? Just as the passenger seats. When there's more demand for the passenger seats, your air freight plane charges goes high. If people are not flying, rates will come down. It's automatic. So they look at the market demand for the airspace. So what it means is that there's so much demand for what? Air shipments of cargo. Then competition in the industry. Competition. Emirates is charging 2,000. Turkish want to charge 1,009. Do you get it? Then Ethiopia will say, let me check 1,008. Which other one? Kenya says, let me check 1,007. So there's competition between their prices. So you see there's price war. You call it price war. You go to 1,000, someone goes to 900. That is what has happened to freight industry, like trying to afford agents. Because you come and say, well, oh, my agent is telling me 1,000, and you are charging me 1,000. Okay, then I'll give you 800, you accept. Another person comes, oh, I pay 800, oh, give me 600. That is the price war we are having. And that's why you see somebody that's taking somebody's job. It's the rates, it's price war. The same thing happens to air freight, transportation. The planes, they look at the rates. They look at the rates. Then, competition from other modes of transport. That if plane does not ship the goods, what should be the best option to ship the goods? Sea. Sea and what? Train.